Welcome everybody, Moments of Adventure, Dale and Leanna. We are on the road again and we have hit Memphis, Tennessee. Specifically Memphis, Arkansas is where we stayed at though.
We stayed in West Memphis, Arkansas, but we visited Graceland in Memphis and had a really good barbecue place at Central, also in Memphis, Tennessee.
Yes, so let's start out at our campground, Tom Sawyer Campground. West Memphis, Arkansas, right on the old Mississippi. Do your impression again.
The mighty Miss, old Miss.
There you go.
Ah, that's the Mississippi, the mighty Mississippi, the old Miss.
There you go. So if you're ever out and about in Memphis and you're pulling a camper, yes, I would highly recommend Tom Sawyer Campground. It's not fancy.
It's not fancy, but it's right on the river. You have to go over the levee to get to it, so it is prone to flooding. But literally I could sit there and watch the river just go by, and the tugboats come, the barges.
The tree trunks.
There, you guys, there are whole trees floating down that river.
Yeah, it's going quick. And then they had a little tree house where you could climb a tree house and get a better look.
It also says climb at your own risk. Inherently risky and uninsurable. It's wiggly a lot. Oh my God, don't do that while I'm on there. Do you feel safe?
No. Not at all.
Oh jeez. Yikes, I'm gonna miss that step because that's a little sketchy. Oh, it's leaning. Oh, look at the whirlpools. Dude. Step on me.
Was the tree house shady?
The treehouse was shady, but it was also shaky.
You didn't get my
But
joke.
we made it. I got your joke.
Okay. It's $52 a night. Cost us $105 for 2 nights. Easy in, easy out. Had a couple of ponds, nice place to walk around, and of course, the mighty Mississippi. It's actually a pretty cool campground. A lot of people outside, which is nice.
Paperwork said you're in a park. You should be aware that they have mosquitoes. Hello, you're next to the river and 2 giant ponds.
Standing water. Yeah.
You're gonna have mosquitoes and chiggers and snakes. Hello, once again. You're next to Mississippi. It's gonna be water moccasins at the least.
There are people. And they have tree houses, which are kind of cool.
Yeah. Treehouse is a little scary. Not sure I would do it again. Actually, I would do it again because I've done it once and I know it's
It didn't fall
safe,
over.
but it's a little scary going up.
Anyway, nice campground, easy to make reservations, not too expensive.
But they did have that creepy little doll that I think was supposed to be Tom Sawyer. But remind me of that haunted doll that they show.
Oh, at the front entrance?
Yes!
Line? I didn't even pay attention to it.
It's a little creepy. If you don't know about the creepy doll, then maybe it's cute. I don't know.
So Graceland.
Yes.
So everybody knows who Elvis is. And
Do they though? Do they?
Obviously they do. But when I was younger, I'm a little bit younger to be a Elvis fan, I think. But oh my God, what an interesting life. Now I feel like I'm out of the loop. But yeah, Graceland's pretty cool. Go. If you have a chance, absolutely go.
This is so goofy. I love it.
Go into the house and not just the grounds and spend some time there. It's pretty
The
neat.
house is like a time capsule.
Yes. They gave you a tablet with headphones so you could listen as it talked about the rooms in the house. I don't know if I was a huge fan of that or not. I
liked it.
I got a few tidbits from it, but like they said on the bus, I think some of the plaques would tell you the same thing. But yeah, I
They
picked
would,
up
but
some
I
stuff.
enjoyed because like Lisa Marie talks, Priscilla talks a little bit, so you get kind of the background of it a little more.
Yeah.
I thought, and you could listen while you were looking at the room instead of looking at the room and reading, or reading and then looking at the room. I thought it was just made it more, I don't know, relaxing. Like it's preserved, and actually when you learn more about it, it's preserved not even the year he died. They went back and brought back his old decorations of how it was decorated the most or the longest. So
Well, it sounds like
all the white furniture wasn't how it was when he died. It was how it was
red.
the most time. Yeah, it was red when he died. He was into red, which I support.
they have all the vehicles there. Not all of them, but a lot of the vehicles that he drove, and the little golf carts and the motorcycles and the three-wheelers. And I mean, he was 22 years old when he bought the place, and he was just having fun. He was a kid.
Does it react to what you're doing?
It does not. Oh, maybe it does. No. Oh, which one?
Well, don't hit the tree, sir.
Yeah, look like
Back in Tupelo in 1935, baby boy who rocked the world, whose rhythm came alive. Here comes the king.
You feel like massive tourists happening.
yes.
But stick with it. Once you hit the house, it just kind of all melts away because you are massive tourists, but it makes it less hokey.
Yeah. So Graceland, awesome, pretty neat. The staff is not the friendliest, so be prepared for that.
It's not your southern hospitality that you would expect.
With-
Next up, barbecue.
Yummer! With Central Barbecue.
Central Barbecue was really good. And Memphis for the win on today's best barbecue.
Nice. And it's not just because we almost finished the picture.
No, but this gives me an idea though. As we're on our trip moving forward, we could try North Carolina barbecue and Kansas City barbecue. And now we have our foundation of Memphis barbecue. We can judge.
I like it. I like
Central's
it.
pretty good.
Memphis barbecue, ribs, brisket, and pork. It's good.
So at Central Barbecue, they all had smoked wings, chicken wings, and we got them with jerk seasoning on them. They were amazing. And then what I said to Dale last night is, I think a good judge of barbecue is how their chicken is, because chicken doesn't have the fat that pork has or beef brisket has. It's a leaner meat, and so if you can still make chicken moist, you've done a good job. And their chicken was moist. We also have this amazing selection of cakes right here. So we are sitting out here on the back patio, watching the river go by, and you guys, it flows fast. Like, I think it would be dangerous to be in. I've seen one motorboat on it, and with the amount of trees and stuff that are floating down, it seems a little like you're gonna hurt your boat if you get in there, or hurt yourself. But we're enjoying some red velvet cake. Here's Dale with his coffee to enjoy his red velvet cake. Okay, so we're staying in West Memphis, which is in Arkansas, which means we get to fill in our Arkansas sticker. But we will for sure be back because we gotta do our writing.
Nice job. So if you're in Memphis, Tom Sawyer Campground, Graceland, and centralbbq. You can't beat it. We were only here for 2 days. We had some work in there between.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you like this video, comment, like, and we'll see you on YouTube.
So you know, if there's standing water, there's gonna be bugs.
Now, with that being said, we didn't see any.
I got bit.
One time.